Hey there folks, back at you with another video. This is Country Mile Garage for Tech Stocking Shop, and we're going to do a tour on my service cart. My service cart is a little bit more of an overflow box from the big one, because that is the main one I work out of. And then this one I use that if I gotta work on the if I gotta work on the tail end of a vehicle, or I gotta shove a vehicle in and the engine is toward the door, then I put my service cart there, so to save me a little bit of walking and hassle. Make this rail system myself. I just welded two pieces from Harbor Freight together and then cut them up to size, make work for what I wanted. And these are the T-slots railing system, so that way I can put whatever I want on there. So that's what I got out here. Got a magnet here, and still some of the crap from my previous one. That's what I used that for. So, all right. Here she is. I use these magnetic rails for if I'm working on something and I got, let's say, 10, a 13, and a 15 out. See, that way I can leave them out like that, and that way I don't have to keep searching for sockets. That way I just got them right there, handy for the job that I'm doing. This one here is for 3/8 and 1/2 inch, and this one here is for 1/4. Got me a couple of those. I love those little pop up thingies. They're great. Here on the side, lady slipper, blow gun. Here I got a homemade extension / screwdriver. I just grabbed a Husky handle, drilled a hole through the center of it, and glued this in there. Works great. Don't need it all the time, but the times I do need it, it's nice. Tire gauge. And then I've got my gear wrench ratchets in here. This the 1/2 inch drive, this the long one, locking flax head. This the regular one. And here's my other 1/2 inch. And then I got my 3/8 in here. This here's my stubby. And then I got my quarters right here. Right here I got my old sockets that they've been with me for a long time. And I mount these on, I had this plate left over, so from the tool grit, so I use that and do the same thing as what I've done with my big toolbox. So I mount the rails on there, and that way I can organize my sockets the way I want to. That's the impact I leave in here. Got some of the attachments there. My 2 gear wrench flashlights. Then I got some Matco picks and my Milwaukee pry bars. This is the snap-on screwdriver pry bar. And then my extra long cabinet screwdrivers from Gear Wrench. And here I got my assortment of extensions, 1/2 inch, 3/8, 1/4, and a couple more extensions and adapters and whatnot. Some of the big sockets. Gotta have a tape measure. And then here I got my wrenches. My regular combination wrenches from Gear Wrench, my ratcheting ones, Some of the extra overflow sockets that didn't fit in the drawer that came with the set. Some of the crow's feet right there. I don't use these a whole lot because I don't really like them, but I've got them. I might as well have them or put them in the drawers. So this is more of my electrical and picks, stuff like that. So that's my old tester. Some of the wire strippers and crimpers, picks. Got a charger in there for my lights, for my gear wrench flashlights. Some of these old screwdrivers here. Feeler gauge set. My old snap-on pick set. Gear wrench. Duh. This is my plier drawer right here. These are my really old ones. My Napa adjustable wrench right there. This thing is I'd say at least 20 years old. Knipex. These are some awesome cutters. And then some vice grip pliers. These are vice grip. These are vice grip as well. This is just a cheapie set, but you know they held up over time. Some side cutters, needle nose, a couple of vice grips. This is like a little set that I take with me with my little impact if I got to do something in the house or whatever. My old trusty Allen wrench set right here. That thing is handy as all get out. Automatically adjusts. So this is a great pipe wrench to have. It's got a shorter handle on it so you can fit it in more places than you think. And if you do need the extra leverage, you slip a pipe over it. Alright. My old panel clips, pry bars and crap. Some AC charging stuff. Some of my homemade thread chaser or thread cleaner stuff. An impact screwdriver. Some stud remover here. El Cheapo junk drill bits that if I know I'm going to screw something up, those are the ones I'm going to grab. A couple files. Good old trusty East Wing hammer. I'm not even sure what this is. Stanley. Alright. It's been a good hammer, by the way. Some punches. A couple oil filters. And some of these for cleaning stuff up. This is all standard. These are my old standard 3/4 inch drive sockets. As you can tell, they've been used a lot, except for those two, because that's a size I don't use a whole lot. Some of my big wrenches there. 3/4 inch drive ratchet and extension and breaker bar. Cheater pipe. And my very first torque wrenches. I just can't bring myself to throw them away, so this is where they're staying. This is my bottom drawer. This is where I got my knee pad. Big pulley puller set. My trusty grease gun. And some regular grease. And then right there I've got a mirror if I ever need one. That is my tool cart in all its glory. All right, folks, please like and subscribe. It helps out the channel a lot. And this is Country Mile Garage for Tech Stocking Shop, and we're going to catch you on the next one. All right, guys, peace out.